Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to Tripan Study Center. Today we are going to do the CQ here and highlighting each and every point of it. Let's see what is our topic today. MCQ here. The MCQ arrive here. The question here. The unit of electrical distance is. The SI unit of electrical distance is A ampere, V volt, C coulombs, D ohm. The question is clear, but first of all, write the correct answer for your notebook. Firstly, you must have write the answer for your notebook. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Question is clear and directly here. The unit of electrical distance is ampere, volt, coulombs, d ohm. That's important. The answer is a ohm because electrical distance is a here unit of ohm. It means to the option is D is correct for this question. Option D is correct for this question. Know that next question arrive here. That's important and question here. If the resistance of contain copper wire is 1 ohm, then the resistance of a similar nichrome wire will be about. Question is clear. If the resistance of contain a copper wire is 1 ohm, then the resistance of similar nichrome wire will be about. There is a 25 ohm, B 30 ohm, C 60 ohm, D 45 ohm. You know that the question is clear. But first of all, write the correct answer for your notebook firstly. That's important. Okay? You write the answer for your notebook. Let's see what is the answer for this question. This question is clear here because what a statement demanding this important. The statement here 60 ohm 60 ohm. There is an option is C. The correct answer here 60 ohm. You know that directly answer the 60 ohm. Why? Your question on your mind. Why the 60 ohm? There is a copper's wire is a 1 ohm. There is a nickel wire will be about 60 ohm. Why? That's important thought here. But first of all, reason here there is resistivity of a nichrome about 60 times the more than the resistivity of the copper. There is a copper is a 1 ohm and the nichromes is 60 times. 60 times the more than to the resistivity of copper wire. It means to the 60 ohms the right answer. You know that that's important and most important line here. There is a 1 ohm copper wire. There is a nickel wire is a 60 times more than the resistivity of copper. That's important here. It means to the option C is correct here. Option C is correct for this question here. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen and question here the amount of work done in joules. The amount of work done in a joules when one unit electrical charge move from one point to the another point in the electrical circuit is called. Question is directly here. The amount of work done in a joule. The amount of work done in joule. When one unit electrical charge move from one point to another point is on electrical circuit is called. That's important here, but option is also important. Electrical current, B electrical resistance, C electrical conductance, D potential difference. That's important here. But first of all, check your knowledge. I give you few seconds for you. You know that you must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Question is clear. The amount of work done in a joule when one unit electrical charge move from one point to another point on electrical circuit is called electrical current. Not a call to the electrical current. That's the wrong answer. Electrical resistance. Not a electrical resistance here. Not a electrical resistance here. Electrical conductance, electric conductance, nothing here. There is a called D, potential difference. There is a called potential difference. It means to the option D is correct here. Option D, here the correct potential difference. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. The question here, the resistivity does not be changed if the resistivity does not be changed if A, the material is a change, B, the temperature is a change, and C, the shape of the resistor is a change, and D, both material and temperature are changed. Question is clear. The resistivity does not be changed if, does not be changed if. First of all, write the answer for your notebook. That's important. Okay? I give a few seconds for you. You must have a write the answer for your notebook. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Question is clear. The resistivity does not be changed if the material is a change, the temperature is a change, the shape of the resistor is a change, both material and temperature are changed. You know that is a question is clear here. The option the material is a change is the nothing is resistivity does not be changed if the material is a change. That's the wrong answer. The temperature is a change. The temperature change. Nothing is the correct answer for this question. It means to the A and B is here rejected. It means to D also is rejected because temperature and there is a materials. This is D option is show here. Both material and temperature are changed. It means to the D option is already rejected here. It means to the option is C is correct. The shape of the resistor is a chain. That's important here. The resistivity does not be changed if the shape of the resistor is a change. That is important for this answer, and the option is C is correct for answer this question. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen, and question here, if the current I through a resistor is increasing by the 100%, assume that the temperature remain unchanged. The increasing in a power dissipated will be. That's an important question here. You know that the increasing of power is 100%, B 200%, C 300%, D 400%. That's an important question here. If the current I thought a resistor is increasing by the 100%, there is a 100%, the increasing of power dissipated will be. That's important here. But first of all, give your answer for this question here. Write your answer for your notebook. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Question is clear. If the current I through a resistor is increasing by the 100 Celsius, assume that the temperature remain unchanged. The increasing in a power dissipated will be. You know that the answer is clear here. There is a 100% increasing of a resistance here. It means to there is a increasing of power is a 3 times. It means to here option C is correct. Option C is correct. 300%. You have there through the resistance is increasing by the 100%. The increasing of power is dissipated here 300%. That's important here for this question, for important for the exam view also here.